Clear your mind first. Wait for the chance to strike.
Proceed with caution.
Here comes the dust.
We'll use the gale to our advantage.
Is it too challenging for you?
Not at all. You want to about yourself?
Here comes the dust.
It is weak. Now's our chance. Keep your distance, or else you'll get hurt.
Here comes the dust.
We'll use the gale to our advantage.
Watch out.
I'm okay. Let's take it down first.
An opportunity has presented itself. Why don't you take it? Here comes the dust.
It is weak. Now's our
Let's
chance.
destroy them.
I'll take them out with one strike.
Urgent help needed.
Define urgent.
Bring it on.
Threats are only temporary.
Melting like snowflakes.